So it's day one of ownership. I want to do a few little bits and pieces to it just to tidy it up. We bought it yesterday. This one's got 19-inch rims. Every single one's been scratched. I'm going to try and polish them up a bit today if I can. Headlight's going to get a bit of a clean. Just a bit of going over. There's just little paint chips and bits of black paint that has been taken off, and this could be probably all fixed in a couple of hours work and make it look really good. So this is the before. I just read on or watched on YouTube video, you can buy expensive kits that sand this back with up to 3000 grit sandpaper, or you can try toothpaste and a bit of bicarb and give that a go. I'll do the cheap version first. If that doesn't work, we'll go a bit more elaborate. Okay, both sides are done. We're going to wash it off and see what happens. I'm just using hot soapy water. Let's see what comes. Alright, still working on this driver's side headlight for the silver Focus. That's 800 grit. I've got 1000 and 2000 to go down to, then a clear coat. Keep working on it. So that's after 800, 1000 and 2000 grit polishing. It still looks dull, but I'm going to hit it with a clear coat and just see how that comes up. Certainly comes up better with the clear coat. See how it goes when it dries. So that's both headlights. I've finished restoring both, clear coating both. Come up alright, I think. I'll leave it like that for a while and see how they go. You can still see a few spoil marks from some maybe heavy sanding early on, but you've got to get close to sand.